Alright, welcome. So today I'm going to talk about the best AI for programmers called Claud. I think that is absolutely made for developers. So on a quick one, for those that actually don't know how to create UI, possibly you love some UI pictures from somewhere like Dribble and you don't know how to create it because it's time consuming for whatever reason, Claud is absolutely meant for it because I'm also in that situation. So let's jump into Dribble and look for a particular UI that will tell Claud to create for us. I'll just scroll down. I think I saw this, but I'm not going to make use of this. So let's look for, okay, let's just quickly look for a login UI. So if you're new, just go to dribble.com and search for whatever UI that you want and just copy the image, go to Claud, paste it, and write your command. So I'm going to show you how to write the best command for you to write, get the best result. So let's just go to this. Okay, let's copy this. So I'll just use my screen grabber to copy this out. Okay, just do this, copy it, go to Claud AI, sign up, paste this, and this is where the change come in. So if you don't know how to write your command, you're not going to get the best result. So let's see how we can write the best command to get the best result. So let's start with create a login page from the image share using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. So let's check this out. Give it some few minutes and let's see what Claud is going to come up with. Alright, so this is it. I'm going to create a model login page based on an image using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap student login pattern. Okay, so it's going to give it a name. So let's wait for Claud to do its work. I think it's more faster than ChatGPT and Google Gemini. That's why I love this. But the funny thing is that it has this own limited slot for your command, so you're going to have to pay when it adjusts its own threshold. So I think this page is not responding. Wait, okay. Boom. I think it absolutely takes less than 20 seconds for us to create this. So let's wait for it. I think it's loading for us to show us our UI. Boom, this is it. Let's expand this. Wow, it doesn't take you guys 20 seconds for us to create this. Now let's compare this and this. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Welcome to Student Portal. So you can now tweak this to your own need, and it's mobile responsive. You know, very mobile responsive. So this is very, so thank you guys. Let's go into work on another one on registration, sign up, login, and all of that. So I'm going to pick a project where we're going to create a social media app using Claud. So let's see how that goes in our next. Thank you guys. Please, if you think you love this video and it helps you, you just click on the like and subscribe button so you might see more videos like this. Thank you very much.